What is your stand on the complaint against Chinese officials before the ICC? And is honesty still important in politics? These are some of the questions answered by four senatorial hopefuls during the sixth installment of the CNN Philippines Senatorial Forum. Sharif Albani and Melchor Chavez from the Labor Party of the Philippines joined Rodolfo Javellana Jr. and Lady Ann Sahidula from the Katipunan ng Demokratikong Pilipino in discussing key issues in the country today. Former broadcast journalist Melchor Chavez and former Governor Lady Ann Sahidula agreed with the move of two former Philippine officials in filing a case before the International Criminal Court against Chinese individuals for alleged injustices against Filipino fishermen in the South China Sea.
Unang-una, yung atin hong teritoryo ay sa Pilipino, hindi ho sa mga Chino. Kaya dapat lang talagang magiging kaaya-aya ito dahil unang-una dami hong para sa kagalingan ng atin hong mga kababayan, partikular ho ang ating mangingisda.
Dapat tutukan natin ito at hindi dapat ipaglaban o ipaghera, ngunit kausapin natin upang matauhan sila na hindi yun karapat dapat kunin nila dahil pag-aari ng Pilipinas. Dapat lang talaga panindigan natin.
Meanwhile, for RJ Javellana, the move was politically motivated, and he suggests that other countries who also claim ownership of the South China Sea be involved as well.
Ang dapat natin ay kunin natin ang lahat ng opinyon ng mga apektadong kalahok dito sa problema na ito. Andyan ang Vietnam, andyan ang China, andyan po yung mga kapitbahay natin. Umupo sa lamesa, pag-usapan yung mga resolusyon na ito at wag nang hayaan na may makialam pa na iba.
All candidates were asked if they agreed with Socio-Economic Secretary Ernesto Pernia's view that there should be a Department of Water. All candidates said yes. The senatorial hopefuls all agreed that water services should be nationalized.
Kasi ito lang bansa natin, nandito lahat ang kayamanan, nandito lahat ang mga tubig. Bakit nag-shortage ito? At sana, para sa akin, ang dapat natin gawin, maibalik ito sa pamahalaan.
Ganun din, dapat ibalik na talaga sa gobyerno ang ating tubig. Dahil lagi ang mahihirap, mabuti kung laging may kaya upang bumili ng tubig. Ngunit anong nangyari? Mas tumaas pa ang rate ng tubig.
Both parties likewise agreed that honesty is still very important in today's politics. According to Javellana, it should be one of the main qualities of government officials.
Pinagkakatiwalaan po tayo ng taong bayan. Gagastusin po natin ang pondo ng taong bayan. Tayo po ang mag-iisip kung saan po ilalagak ang mga pondo na ito. Kaya dapat lamang na tapat itong maimplementa.
Actually, honesty, napakalalim na salita. Pero dagdagan natin, honesty is one of the basic requirements to be a good leader in our country with a moral and spiritual values.
If given the chance to be elected, Sahidula would focus more on livelihood programs in an attempt to fight corruption, especially in Mindanao. Her party mate Javellana said he would seek the renationalization of key industries as he advocates lower prices of goods and transportation. Meanwhile, Melchor Chavez said he will push for land reform, while Albani will push for the establishment of an ecumenical or interfaith department to address the issue of disunity in the country. Tougher questions on issues that matter to Filipinos will be posed to another set of Senate hopefuls as they head to the 2019 polls in the next installment of the Senatorial Forum on Sunday, March 31. Chrissy Di Matulak, CNN Philippines.